Not only Ukraine's but world's biggest aircraft Antonov, An-225 Mriya, was destroyed by Russian military this morning. Anyone who is interested in aerospace knows about Antonov 225 and how big it is. In the recent invasion of Russia into Ukrainian soil, and by the fourth day of this war, most of Ukrainian military substructure has been under attack. Today being 27th of February, hours ago a video was published in the internet showing a missile attack on the Antonov airfield in Hostomel near Kyiv, Ukroboronpro, in which the legendary An-225 Mriya were being kept. And since the release of that video, there were a lot of confusion in the condition of the Antonov. However, hours ago a statement was released from the Ukrainian President, Vladimir Zelensky, confirming that the legendary An-225 Mriya was targeted and was destroyed in the attack. Now let's take a closer and specified look at this sky giant. The An-225 Mriya was originally built to transport the Soviet space shuttle, Uran. As an oversized aircraft, the Antonov An-225 Mriya held multiple records which included heaviest aircraft ever built and largest wingspan of any aircraft in operational service. Other records held by the An-225 were cargo-related in terms of weight and length, as the Antonov An-225 had the capability to carry up to 640 tons, 705 short tons. The An-225 attracted a high degree of public interest, so much that it had managed to attain a global following due to its size and its uniqueness. Records held by An-225 Mriya. The airlifter holds the absolute world record for an airlifted single-item payload of 189,980 kilograms and an airlifted total payload of 253,820 kilograms. It also transported a payload of 247,000 kilograms on a commercial flight. On 11 September 2001, carrying 4 main battle tanks at a record load of 253.82 tons, 279.79 short tons of cargo. The An-225 flew at an altitude of up to 10,750 meters over a closed circuit of 1,000 kilometers at a speed of 763.2 kilometers per hour. On 11 August 2009, the heaviest single cargo item ever sent by air freight was loaded onto the An-225. At 16.23 meters long and 4.27 meters wide, its consignment, a generator for a gas power plant in Armenia along with its loading frame, weighed in at a record 189 tons. On 11 June 2010, the An-225 carried the world's longest piece of air cargo, 242.1 meters, test wind turbine blades from Tianjin, China, to Skridstrup, Denmark. Based on Antonov's earlier An-124, the An-225 has fuselage barrel extensions added fore and aft of the wings. The wings also received root extensions to increase span. The wings are anhydral. The flight control surfaces are controlled via fly-by-wire and triple redundant hydraulics. 2 more Progress D18T turbofan engines were added to the new wing roots, bringing the total to 6. An increased capacity landing gear system with 32 wheels was designed, some of which are steerable, enabling the aircraft to turn within a 60-meter wide, 200 feet, runway. Like its An-124 predecessor, the An-225 has nose gear designed to kneel, so cargo can be more easily loaded and unloaded. Unlike the An-124, which has a rear cargo door and ramp, the An-225 design left these off to save weight, and the empennage design was changed from a single vertical stabilizer to a twin tail with an oversized, swept-back horizontal stabilizer. The twin tail was essential to enable the plane to carry large heavy external loads that would disturb the airflow around a conventional tail. Unlike the An-124, the An-225 was not intended for tactical airlifting and is not designed for short field operation. Initially, the An-225 has a maximum gross weight of 600 tons, 660 short tons, 590 long tons, but from 2000 to 2001, the aircraft underwent modifications at a cost of $20 million, such as the addition of a reinforced floor, which increased the maximum gross weight to 640 t, 710 short tons, 630 long tons. Both the earlier and later takeoff weights established the An-225 as the world's heaviest aircraft, being heavier than the double-deck Airbus A380. It is surpassed in other size-related categories, But Airbus claims to have improved upon the An-225's maximum landing weight by landing an A380 at 591.7 tons, 1,304,000 pounds, during tests, and the Hughes H-4 Hercules, known as the Spruce Goose, has a greater wingspan and a greater overall height, but the Spruce Goose is 20% shorter and overall lighter due to the materials used in its construction. In addition, the H-4 only flew once, and for less than a minute, making the An-225 the largest aircraft in the world to fly multiple times. The Antonov An-225 Mriya was originally operated from 1988 to 1991 as the prime method of transporting Buran-class orbiters for the Soviet space program. Antonov Airlines was concurrently founded in 1989 after it was set up a holding company by the Antonov Design Bureau as a heavy airlift shipping corporation. This company was to be based in Kyiv, Ukraine. As for the general characteristics, it has a crew of 6, capacity of 253,820 kilograms, length 84 meters, wingspan 88.4 meters, height 18.1 meters, wing area 905 meters square, aspect ratio 8.6. Empty weight 285,000 kilograms, max takeoff weight 640,000 kilograms, fuel capacity more than 300,000 kilograms, power plant 6 times Progress D18T turbofans, 229.5 kilonewton thrust each. Finally, as for the performance of this Sky Legend: maximum speed 850 kilometers per hour, cruise speed 800 kilometers per hour, service ceiling 11,000 meters. Wing loading 662.9 kilograms per meter square. Thrust weight 0.234. We pay tribute to An-225 Mriya in this video, and we hope that this war ends.